Hi everyone, today we're going to learn two new chords, the D and the A7. Let's start with the A7 chord first. It's a two-finger chord. You're going to take your index or first finger and put it on 4-2, and then you're going to put your middle finger on 2-2. Then we need to get all four strings to sound. Let's see if that works. Oh, I'm missing the middle strings, the ones that aren't fretted. It's probably because these fingers are touching one, so that means I got to kind of bring them up, straighten them up a little bit. There we go. Don't forget, keep those fingers as close to the fret wire as possible. Don't bring them back here because you'll have to press harder. The notes of this chord are E, G, C sharp, and E. Okay, now the shortcut then to get to the D is that you bring each of these two fingers down one string each towards the floor. So I lift them both off, and then I place the index on string 3-2 and the middle finger on 1-2. Okay, and it's a three-finger chord, so I need to add the third finger or ring finger on 2-3. I got all four strings sounding, so we're in business. Practice that for yourself and see how that sounds. Okay, and the notes for the D chord are D, A, D, and F sharp. Remember when I taught you about the D7 chord? It was a triangle and the point was going up towards heaven. Like you could pretend it was an arrow and it was shooting up towards heaven. That's how we remembered it. D7 points to heaven. Well, the D is the opposite direction. It is a triangle, but it's facing the opposite direction. So I remember it by saying D points downward to my knee, or just D points to my knee. So remember that. Okay, so we switched from A7 to D. Now let's go to back to the A7. All we do is lift off the third finger, move the first finger to 4-2, and the second finger to 2-2. So practice going back and forth between those two. Okay, so we're going to do a little exercise. This is going to be starting on the D chord. We'll do 2 measures of D, then 2 measures of A7, and repeat. We'll do a half note strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first it's going to be kind of like a 2-step move or 3-step move, but after a while you'll be able to do this. It just takes time. It's a new skill you have to learn. Okay, then switching from the D to the G, shortcut is that you got that third finger right there above the first string. So all you got to do is lift the other 2 fingers up and move the first finger there. So there's the D. Coming back, it's going to be that 3-step process to play the D chord. So let's try a half quarter note strum in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. G. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the G to A7, no real shortcut for that one either. But when you're on the A7 and you're ready for the G, you can kind of get that third finger ready. As soon as you have to switch, just pop that third finger down onto the third string. Okay, so going from the G to the A7, we're going to do a half quarter strum in 4/4 time. 2 measures A7, 2 measures G, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Gonna take you a little time. You got 2 chords to work on now, but I think you can do it. You've been doing a pretty good job so far. So keep practicing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.